morning, everyone. We are here in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. We just got in last night. Here's my beautiful wife. She's happy, she's happy. You happy?
I am. I'm excited.
You better be. Now we're in the middle of the road, so let's move over here. And we're gonna check out a museum that I've always wanted to go to, but every time I come to the island, it's never open. But I called today and they are open today. And it's a Casa Blanca museum in Old San Juan, in Casa Sebastian. Check out the place, check out the area. So let's go and let's check this place out. Okay, so we are finally here in Museo Casa Blanca. And basically this was the house that was constructed for the governor of Puerto Rico at the time, Juan Ponce de León. You might have seen the video we did in St. Augustine where he supposedly found the Fountain of Youth. So we're gonna check out the house that he was supposed to live in. This is absolutely gorgeous. We got a couple of different plants here. You got gandules, pigeon peas. There's some coffee back there, banana trees. Beautiful area, obviously with the amazing view. Spectacular. And you know what? The smell of the Caribbean mangoes. Amazing. Now you got views for days here. Views for days. As you can see the beautiful ocean right there. Nice blue sea. But let's go check out the garden. It's also nice too. Come follow me. Alright, so it costs $3 to get in. Imagine just waking up to this view. It's amazing. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? That over there is the governor's mansion. This is views of Old San Juan. This is the kitchen area. Pretty big kitchen. Bigger than our kitchen, huh? Mm-hmm. Nice.
Very nice.
All right, we're going up. Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up. So like I said before, Juan Ponce de León did not live in here, although this was constructed and made for him. So, you know, it's like we're following Juan Ponce's life and we're going everywhere he went and we're stuck in his life. But overall, beautiful views across the whole property. Just amazing, the history behind all of this. And yeah. So signing off from Casa Blanca. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.